Diverse communities showcase interactions among individuals from various racial backgrounds. Interfaith harmony is demonstrated through shared spaces and mutual respect. Socioeconomic diversity fosters understanding and collaboration. Casual interactions in everyday life promote natural connections. Love thrives when labels are disregarded, fostering genuine human connections. Mutual respect is the foundation for a harmonious and loving community. Helping hands symbolize proactive love and support across social divides. Providing resources to those in need is a key expression of proactive support. Offering encouragement serves as a powerful form of support. Lending a listening ear demonstrates empathy and support. These acts of kindness showcase the transformative power of human connection. Diverse individuals unite to collaborate on a shared community project. Collaborative efforts demonstrate unity and collective action towards a common goal. Shared goals foster a sense of unity and mutual support among participants. Compassion drives collective action, leading to positive community outcomes. Embracing diversity strengthens community bonds and enhances project success. Love, as a driving force, inspires collective action for the common good.